Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you some ways you can use the metronome to practice your walking bass lines. We're going to start by playing with metronome on beats 2 and 4. So to do that you need to halve the tempo by 2. For example, if you're playing at 120 BPM, you will have your metronome set up on 60 BPM. I have the metronome set up on 60 BPM at the moment, and this is beat 2 and 4. We're going to play Stella by Starlight. So this is 2, 4, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now for up-tempo tunes, I will show you different ways you can use the metronome. So we're going to divide the tempo by 4. So if the tune is 240 BPM, we're going to set up the metronome on 60 BPM. And this will be just the 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's do rhythm changes in B flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now let's try metronome on beat 2. So this is beat 2. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's do metronome on beat 3. I find beat 3 to be not very natural to have your metronome on, but it's still a good exercise. Let's try anyway. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And finally, you probably guessed metronome just on beat 4. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it for today. Thanks for watching this video and I hope you found it useful. I'll see you next week. Bye.